Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Guess what time it is? It is strawberry picking time. We are headed over to Bures Berry Patch, who are just literally our neighbors across the highway from us. They do a great job, as you can see, have a picking good time out at their farm. Tons of people out on opening day. So as you can see, we just had a really beautiful weather. It was super hot later in the day, so we went out early in the morning to go and get these beautiful berries. One of the things I also forgot was how much of a little scavenger hunt this turns into for your kids. Like, they were just so excited to find these big berries and to show each and every one of the larger berries that they found. Most kids really get into eating them as well. My kids just like to wipe the strawberry juice on their shirt. Okay, good job, buddy. What is it? It's a huge one, huh? Yeah. Almost ready to explode. It's so big. Good job. Whoa! Where did you find that one?
Well, right there.
Okay, good job.
He was in his spot.
Yeah, he was in the spot. Now you're going to eat him, huh? One of the really cool things that they have at the Strawberry Patch is a really slick system for picking the strawberries. They actually have these custom little baskets that you put the strawberries into that also have a little spot on the top where you can stick the flag. So the flags mean this strawberry row has been picked out. So you want to make sure that you move your flag as you're picking so that the next person doesn't get a row that's all picked out and you get all of the amazing strawberries in a very short period of time. This was an outstanding strawberry pick, and what a cool tradition to keep going. So. Okay, you can both give them to the chickens. Go on.
You can go get into the chickens. I can go try to catch one.
Chickens love strawberry tops. That way. Just be careful. Okay. One of the traditions in our family is strawberry rhubarb crisp. We also do some pretty amazing strawberry rhubarb pie, but this time we did some strawberry rhubarb crisp. We did a huge casserole of it, as you can see, throwing it in the big old oven, looking beautiful and hot coming back out. We decimated at least half of it before the day was out. Just gorgeous, gorgeous berries in there. Just can't beat this flavor. You wish for this to come back around all year. We also got some awesome, beautiful peonies. They had blooming at the farm. You could just ask them, hey, can I get some out of the cooler? It's $1 of stem, so just super cheap. It made our house beautiful, made it smell like beautiful berries all day. There's not much more direct farm to table than picking those strawberries and getting them into this rhubarb crisp and into your tummy. So get out there, support that movement. Thanks for watching the whole video. Please join us next time. We usually post every Thursday at 2 p.m. Please hit the like button and the subscribe button and hit the little bell if you want to get notified every time our videos go up. Thanks again.